Hey guys, it's Tepcocyclerepair, and I want to go over a quick note for the YZF 450 and 250 reverse cylinder engines, and this has to do with timing. If you look at the book in the service manual, the Yamaha service manual, shows 15 links in between the timing marks, but the key that you need to know is that it's not 15 links, but 27 pins. And people have had these set up wrong. This bike in particular was set up incorrectly because it set it up like the book looked, but the timing marks were not lined up because of it. So this here, if you look at this, if you start at the first pin right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes all the way around. And then the last one just above is that one right there is 27 pins. And this is with the timing mark set properly down here. It's a little triangle. Let's see if I can get that lit up for you. All right, you can see the triangle. It's on the flywheel right inside of there. All right, so that mark lined up with the mark on the case, 27 pins in between, and then your timing marks will be lined up. If you have this set at 28, if you have it set up the way the picture is in the service manual, this timing mark right here will be below the valve cover line, and that's incorrect. All right, so hopefully this helps you out if you're having problems setting up your timing, your cam timing, in your YZF reversed cylinder engines. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.